Hello, this is Matthew Brummett, and I'm going to show you how to use a falling ball comparator. First, you always want to put on your proper PPE, rubber gloves, goggles or safety glasses, and an apron. This is your falling ball comparator. It can measure how much your oil is thinning from fuel dilution and also any thickening caused by water or carbon. Tube A is filled with unused oil and placed in the far left side of the comparator. Next, you'll take your used engine oil sample pulled from your engine and pour it into tubes labeled 1 and 2. While filling the tubes, you'll want to fill them to the line where the two dissimilar colors meet. With your rods at the start line, simply press down on the rods until they hit the bottom line and then pull them back up to the start line. Remember to press the reset button on the left before beginning your test. Once you're ready to begin your test, push and hold the start button until either rod reaches the bottom. Once your rod reaches the bottom, you will then log your readings. If your used oil sample reaches first, you have fuel dilution as indicated on the scale. In this case, we have approximately 5% dilution.